Hi, I'm Linda. I blog over at A Labor of Life, and today I'm doing something a little bit different. So we all know about subscription boxes and have many of them. I've tried lots of them, but I want to talk to you about Beachly. So this is unsponsored, just so you know. I discovered Beachly last year and ordered one of their boxes, and I was so amazed with the quality of the products and how much you actually got for the price that I decided to re-up my subscription and try it. So let's dig in and I will show you what I got this time. So with Beachly, it's $99 and you get to select from a group. It's very similar to many of the other subscription programs out there, but everything is geared towards beach, pool, and lake and fun. So first thing I got were these awesome wine glasses. They are plastic, but if you look around, you'll see all I ever allow in my backyard is plastic. Next up, we got cool classic sunscreen. It's a full size. I haven't actually tried the Cooler before. Smells good. It's SPF 70, so it'll be perfect. Pick that one out. Let's see, what else did we get here? I picked out, I think, 6 handle. Nope, it is, glow juice. It's a mask. Oh, that smells like the beach. Okay, I actually have never used the mask, so this will be fun. And we have the Aurora apricot and grapefruit facial oil. Yes, I love the smell of citrus, just so you know. Next up, I selected the, listen to that noise. All right, we picked the straw bag. Oh, look at the pattern on it. So cute. It's done just for Beachly. I'm sure I'll get a lot of use out of that this summer. All right, next, salesy. What do we have here? We have, a beautiful wooden tray. Cool. Anyway, beautiful trinket tray, or I could see that as a venti tray if I really wanted to. I ordered tank top. Excited. Haven't actually seen this yet. I'm really excited. Oh, my glasses won't stay up. Oh, there you go. It is. If found, please return to Hawaii. Oh. Back is beautiful. I ordered the extra, did I? Large. Oh, I don't know. I ordered the X, whatever that is. Be perfect. And then, let's see. I have a feeling this is some of the beach cover-up, but I love these beach cover-ups. Again, it is short sleeve. I love it. Look at this in the back. Another day in paradise. It's perfect. This would be nice for the beach cover-up with short sleeves. A linen material. And then the final, then, final, I ordered the sweatshirt. I have this in the green, and it is my all-time favorite sweatshirt. So I thought ordering it in this color. It was a different size. I ordered the medium this time. Last time I ordered the large. It's really big, but I've lost some weight, so thought I'd order size down a little bit. There you have it. How awesome is that? $99. I got the sweatshirt. I got beach cover up. I got the tank top, purse, beautiful wooden tray, little sunscreen, some wine glasses, facial oil, and a facial mask. $99. This box is truly one of the best deals I've ever found out there. So I will put details in the description down below in case you're interested in receiving one. I don't know if I have a discount code or not, but I'm going to check. And if I do, I will give it to you. But give them a try. It's really easy to sign up. It is even easier to cancel if you don't love it as much as I do. Anyway, thanks for staying through to the end. And in case you're interested, it's Linda from Labor of Life. Hit the subscribe. I'd love to see you stick around. Maybe we'll do some more stuff like this in the future.